Mercedes A-Class 2018 has been revealed at a launch event in Amsterdam, displaying the car's updated looks, tech and features. The new car has received some major new upgrades in terms of design, interior, and features on board. Mercedes say the car's design is the next step in the Mercedes-Benz design philosophy of sensual purity. Mercedes-Benz A-Class 2018 given a facelift which sees a low bonnet, flat LED headlamps and a striking new radiator grille which gives the car a sportier character. The baby Mercedes has grown up a little with a 30mm longer wheelbase and a 14mm wider front track which allows for more room inside the cabin. As a result of the increased proportions, the car has more shoulder room, elbow room, headroom, and better entry to the rear seats. There is also 29 more liters of boot space compared to the preceding model, taking the total to 370 liters. Although things have changed on the outside, one of the car's biggest updates is the interior. MBUX is the name for the company's new infotainment system, which is said to have user experience at the heart of its design. This is because it will be the first production Mercedes to sport the new MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, cockpit. The left screen on the dual displays replaces the driver's instrument cluster on the left and offers an infotainment and navigation on the right. Together the screens, measuring up to 10.25 inches, 26 centimeters, each blend together under a shared glass cover. New technologies must place the focus on people and make their lives easier. The new A-Class does this in many ways, and becomes an emotional and intelligent companion, says Ola Kalenius, the member of the board of management of Daimler AG responsible for group research and Mercedes-Benz cars. One good example is MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience. It combines intuitive and natural operation with intelligent, learning software. The new A-Class embodies the next stage in our design philosophy of sensual purity and has the potential to usher in a new design era, says Gordon Bogener, Chief Design Officer Daimler AG. With clear contours and sensual surfaces, we present high-tech that awakens emotions. Form and body are what remain when creases and lines are reduced to the extreme. The interior represents modern luxury at a level previously unattained in this class, and translates intelligent technology into an emotional overall experience. A new ambient lighting system with 64 different colors helps to personalize the interior. Powering the new car is a choice of 3 engines, 2 petrol and 1 diesel. The petrol engines come in 1.4 liters and 2.0 liter displacements, offering 160 bhp and 250 Nm and 221 bhp and 350 Nm of power respectively. Opting for a diesel will give you a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder ending with 113 bhp, which comes with AdBlue, which is thought to improve exhaust pipe emissions. Mercedes claimed that its new A-Class will have the highest safety standard in its segment due to inclusions such as active distance assist Distronic, active steering assist, active emergency stop assist and active lane change assist. The new A-Class can be ordered from March onwards, and the market launch commences in the spring.